How do you actually stop snoring? Snoring isn't a sound problem, it's an airway problem. Something is collapsing, swelling, or blocking the passage air needs to move through silently. Here's what's actually happening and how to stop it. Number 1. Position. On your back, gravity pulls the tongue and soft palate directly into the airway. The passage narrows to a slit. Air forces through and the tissue vibrates. Roll onto your side. The tongue falls forward, the airway opens, the sound stops. Same anatomy, different physics. Number 2. Inflammation. Alcohol relaxes pharyngeal muscles and inflames airway tissue simultaneously. Both narrow the airway before you even lie down. Allergens do the same. Reducing mucosal swelling through antihistamines, nasal sprays, or cutting alcohol before bed restores the diameter that keeps airflow silent. Number 3. Muscle tone. The pharyngeal muscles are supposed to hold the airway open against the suction of each inhale. If they're undertrained, they lose that battle every night. Myofunctional exercises, tongue, jaw, and throat training increase resting muscle tone enough to keep the airway stiff during sleep. Studies show up to 59% reduction in snoring frequency. Number 4. Nasal obstruction. When the nose is blocked, the mouth opens. Mouth breathing routes air directly past the soft palate, the main vibration point. Open the nose. Nasal strips, a spray, treating the underlying allergy, and the mouth stays closed. The airway the sound needs to travel through simply isn't used.